Knowing your customers is fundamental to building relationships. Using social updates gives you a unique insider's perspective on what your customers care about most, while enabling you to keep your Sage Act data current and easily share this information with other Sage Act users in your organization. After completing this lesson, you'll be able to use the Social Updates feature in Sage Act to locate data about contacts in your database. Locating and managing your social connections within Sage Act is easy. Start by locating a contact in your database, and then click the Social Updates tab. If this is the first time you're using the feature, an informational message displays instructing you how to use this feature. After closing the message, you can choose to manage social connections on LinkedIn or Facebook. Sage Act passes the contact name to the remote site and displays a list of search results. Select the matching contact, and you'll be taken to that contact's profile. If you're friends with that contact, then the full profile page displays. Otherwise, publicly available information is displayed. You may opt to message or friend the contact as appropriate. To quickly return to this page in the future, simply click Remember this page. This saves a direct link to this individual's profile in your database. Clicking the Remember this page link has two fundamental benefits. Most important, you can quickly return directly to this individual's profile without having to search for that individual. Second, in a shared database, it expedites finding relevant contacts to friend or add to your network because friends and connections that other Sage Act users mark as remembered will be displayed when you navigate to that contact as well. Security of the underlying social network site is respected, and if you're not already friends with the contact, you'll only see public information. The great benefit of this feature is you're able to access all the functionality of the underlying site directly from within Sage Act. You can obviously access information off the profile, view photos, like information on this page, post to their wall, chat with friends, and more. Viewing LinkedIn profiles works much the same. After locating a contact, select the LinkedIn tab. Again, Sage Act passes the contact name to the remote site and displays a list of matching connections. Select the appropriate individual, and again you can view public information if you're not yet connected, or if you are connected, you'll have access to the full profile. When viewing information about people you're already connected with, again you'll have full access to the functionality of the underlying site. So you're able to interact with this individual, sending messages, viewing profile data, and even updating information in Sage Act by copying information from that remote site and pasting it into your database. And again, to expedite returning to this page later, click the Remember this page button. In the upper right corner of this tab, there are several browser buttons that can be helpful. For example, if you want more working space, click Increase Tab Size. Or alternatively, you can open this page in your web browser. As you have learned, using social updates gives you a unique insider's perspective on what your customers care about most. You can friend and connect with contacts in your database, catch up with the latest happenings for your contacts in preparation for sales calls or friendly follow-up calls, and considering the full functionality of the underlying site is available, you can browse photos, start chats, comment on posts, send messages, and more, all from within Sage Act. Better yet, you can easily share this information amongst other Sage Act users in your organization.